Just strut. What the?
Let's hook up that Ecler.
Those of you not familiar with the brand name Ecler, it's a Spanish company known for high quality sound equipment.
Had only seen the Ecler brand, through videos online or through pictures on the internet.
More quality. Get more in a badass mixer by Ecler.
Today we're going to be taking a very quick look at an interesting fader from the early 2000s, the Ecler Eternal fader.
And as soon as I started cutting with the Eternal fader, it was a game changer for me. Yeah, I mean, this mixer is definitely my favorite cut mixer right now.
The Eternal fader is installed inside an Ecler Hack 360 mixer, being extremely well designed and just generally being a great mixer.
Hi, you're watching DJ TV, and next up we're reviewing Ecler's Evo 5.
In my opinion, the sound of this mixer is quite top-notch and on the studio level.
Seriously advanced effects, such high-quality audio, and such adaptable MIDI, it's a clear winner.
And the overall sound quality is amazing.
Awesome build quality, awesome sound quality. I could sit up here all day long and explain to you how great it is. This thing is awesome, and I'm actually just blown away.